Okay, so we have three beautiful Devia here with me today, and let me ask them their names and of course what they have to say about NetApp. Hello, hi, what's your name?
I'm Deepthi. I'm an intern in NetApp. So I've been here for a year. I'm doing MTech and parallelly the internship. So it's like a move from student life to corporate life.
Fantastic.
It's been exciting.
Alright, and you are?
I'm Asha. I'm also an intern here. I have joined with her. It's been a year. It's almost coming to an end, the internship. Yeah, parallelly MTech and this, it was
a good balance?
Yeah. And, but from learning in the college, it is like the corporate, introduction to corporate at NetApp is like it is in a different level. Because I had previously worked in Accenture and it is different.
I'm Soumya. I'm also an intern. So I've been a part of NetApp from past 1 year. So yeah, the same thing. The 4 days I get to come to office, and the 2 days in the weekend I go to college. So yeah, it's fun being a part of NetApp.
It's more of learning in NetApp.
Fantastic. So what do you have to say about the infrastructure here?
Oh, that's great. We have a world-class infrastructure that's NetApp is providing us. We make use of all the facilities here. We go to gym, we go to yoga, aerobics.
Fantastic. Yeah. No wonder you guys look super fit.
And every Fridays there's beer bash here.
Everybody likes a beer bash.
None of us drink.
Yeah. We have 40 interns here.
We like the Goa fruit juice.
And good food and nice atmosphere, good seniors who help us out in everything.
Not every company has its own infrastructure.
Absolutely. So definitely it's a blessing in disguise for you interns to be a part of the company which has its own infrastructure. Yes. And that too, like I think it's state of the art, it's world class.
True.
Right?
Yeah. True. We are lucky to be here.
Alright, so today we are celebrating 25 glorious years of NetApp. What do you have to say about it, Soumya?
Actually, there are very few companies which will get a chance to celebrate its 25 years. Because most of the times I've heard only about companies which lays off people, or the companies which is unstable, which might do well in the initial days, but later they will not be able to cope up with the industry pressure, and they'll not be able to survive for these many years. So I would like to wish NetApp glorious 100 more years.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Soumya. Truly, we look forward to having 100 years, more than that, of a celebration for NetApp, because it's a fantastic company. And let's have you say, so what do you have to say about the 25th year? It's just a small number. We're just 25 years young in the industry. Many more years to come, many more milestones to set. But today, as we celebrate 25 years.
In a short period of time that was here, it was just 1 year, but I was able to be a part of many of the milestones. You know, we moved from the EGL campus to our own campus. That celebration, it's like the glorious year, you know, the 25th, it's completely filled up with events coming up, and it's all fun.
So with NetApp, I don't think the fun ever ends, right? The excitement never dies with NetApp. So today, as we celebrate 25 years of success and the gloriousness, let's actually look at the camera and put our thumbs up and say 25. 25. So happy 25.
Happy 25th anniversary.
Thank you so much, girls. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
All the best.